When it comes to snow removal with 15,000 to 30,000 pound machines, efficiency is everything. That's why KAGE created the SnowStorm Wing Plow, a versatile snow plow that combines maximum scraping performance, unmatched curb cleaning capability, and industry-leading wing float technology. What makes the KAGE SnowStorm Wing truly unique is its heel-and-toe floating wing skid system. Most wing plows require operators to constantly manage plow pitch to keep the wings sealed against the pavement, tilt the plow too far forward or too far backward, and the snow can leak underneath the wings. With the SnowStorm Wing, that's no longer a concern. The floating wing skids maintain constant ground contact with the plowing surface, automatically adapting to changes in plow pitch as well as the plowing surface. Operators simply set the plow down and go, knowing the wings stay flush with the ground for maximum snow containment and clearer results. The floating wing design also delivers another major advantage: true curb-to-curb scraping. With the wings in the forward box position, the wing skids float up and over curbs, while the main cutting edge remains in contact with the street or gutter. The result is a cleaner scrape right up to the curb before the trip edge takes over. No premature lifting, no snow left behind, just exceptional curb line cleaning performance. Both the center moldboard and the wings feature trip edge protection. This allows operators to cleanly plow up and over curbs while maintaining excellent scraping performance and protecting the equipment from impacts. The result is a more aggressive, more productive plow that's built for real-world snow conditions. Every SnowStorm Wing is designed to maximize scraping performance. Steel wing skids provide exceptional cleaning ability and durability. For the main cutting edge, operators can choose the solution that best fits their application. Polyurethane cutting edges for sensitive surfaces, high carbon steel cutting edges for aggressive scraping, or KAGE's Advantage sectional cutting edge system for superior contour following and extended service life. Its 4-foot wing pivots at a full 180 degrees, allowing them to face fully forward, fully backward, or anywhere in between. This flexibility lets operators quickly adjust the plow width and configure the blade for multiple functions. Create a box plow for containment, angle the wings for windrowing, pull snow away from obstacles while backdragging, push large volumes of snow, or scoop and transport snow to designated stacking areas. One attachment, multiple snow fighting tools. At 36 inches tall, the SnowStorm Wing delivers the capacity needed for commercial snow operations. The 4-foot wings pair with the center mold boards available in 7, 10, and 12-foot widths, allowing operators to match the plow to their machine and application. The curved mold board design helps roll snow efficiently, reducing drag and improving productivity. The SnowStorm Wing is compatible with nearly all styles of mid-sized equipment, including wheel loaders, tractors, and telehandlers. The center mold board angles up to 36 degrees left or right and oscillates 6 degrees up and down, helping the plow follow changing terrain while maintaining consistent scraping performance. With the exclusive heel-and-toe floating wing skids, true curb-to-curb scraping capability, trip edge protection, and unmatched versatility, the KAGE SnowStorm Wing Plow gives operators the confidence to clear more snow in less time with cleaner results. KAGE Innovation, stay grounded.